Elise, well, Elise is in the background right now. We are going to be do a tornado challenge against villages. I know you.
I am in cheer camp. Yeah.
Hey, don't. So Poisonous Cookie did this. I don't care.
Elise, did you finish your
Poisonous Cookie, if you are watching this by any chance, I like your videos and I'm your favorite. But anyway, so. And when failure, okay, so anyone out there, so, oh my gosh, this is going to lag my game because I'm actually using QuickTime Player. THF is a really cool village area. The creative. Okay, let's go.
Sorry, I stared.
That's okay.
I just stared once.
Sorry if this is very laggy for the viewers right now. If it is, just I don't, because it usually is.
Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Yeah, at least just went over there. Jeez, I forgot the controls. I've been playing Gary's mod so long. Okay.
Hello.
Sorry if it's very laggy right now.
What's your name?
You didn't know it right now. Stop asking questions. Near? Okay, I'm gonna survive in.
I hate that song.
That credit goes to Minecraft right now. So. This time I'm actually doing cyclones. So we're gonna start from C1 to C5. Because I have the new tornado mod. I wish I had the old one because the old one is really better. Oh crap. Okay. It's here. Because how do you take the blocks? Like, whenever you're in creative, how do you, like, place the blocks into your inventory? This isn't really doing any damage, surprisingly. Oh crap, why did I just walk out? No, that was dumb. That was very dumb. Get the crap inside. There you go. At least.
It's not. We're inside a prison thing.
There goes straight shot. Yes, if you do this in real life, you're not you don't survive, and I don't know how to change my skin because I haven't looked that up yet. So I'm Steve right now.
Yeah, he's Steve right now. Did you know he had?
Okay, let's do
Yes.
F2 category 2 this time. I can't talk today.
He has a Steve toy.
No, I don't.
Don't?
No. Okay. Okay, we're on to category 2. Oh gosh. Dang it. Daggum cyclone. I keep thinking it's tornado. Well, I can do a tornado challenge, but I would die instantly. Actually, I might do that at the end of this video. Gosh dang it, it's only 1 gigabyte. Yeah. This video has only been 3 minutes long, and we're already on category 2. Gosh. Here, I'll clap. See, look at that. It's not even pushing me out. Thank you. It's never happened to me before in this game. Well, yeah, it has a few times. I bet you if I walk out here, I'd fly. After a while, I need a new building.
Yeah.
Because every time I do category 4, I always die. I keep practicing. At least, please, do this right now. Okay. Sorry if my mic is having issues. Jeez. Trying to see good. Okay, there we go. It's gone.
There we go.
Hey, Dagum Cyclone. Tropical Cyclone. We survived you. I can't even tell which one is which right now. It looks like it's completely destroyed, but like once you walk inside, there's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 things destroyed. Category stick at 3. Oh my gosh. I have a feeling that we're gonna fly out. Hey manager, we have an issue. We're gonna know. If there's water right now, this would be flooded monsoon. Gosh. Yeah, I need a new house after this one. I'm totally gonna get sucked out. Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry. All of them.
I don't think so. Why am I digging, man? That's cheating. Ah! Is it over?
Get underground.
Is it over? Cyclones don't help you underground. Oh man, I really wish I had the old tornado mod right now. I'll just hide behind this building because I was dumb enough to walk out. Oh gosh. Okay, this isn't working. I'm just helping myself die right now. Actually, I'm gonna hide in this house. Oh gosh, that house is destroyed. I need to find a house. Fast. The house is not. Well, I don't want to hide there. I can't hide in the library. It's too much. Can't talk today. Why? I think I have to reset the map now. Please stop taking me, tornado. Let me go. I mean, hurricane. I don't care what you are. Just let me go. You're exactly like a tornado, but just huger and does less destruction. But tornadoes do so much destruction, which is why I can't do them. I hate my skin. I wish I could change it. It's 2 fails right now. My my keyboard is about to die.
Go in the castle.
I can't go in the castle. I have to stay in a place that's. I guess I'll just stay in this house and die. Just watch me. I'll die. I'm just gonna die. And. Yep. Ooh, I'm alive. What? Oh gosh. That was close. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm getting cold right now. Please let me. No! No! Oh my gosh, no! No! Ah! Yeah. I always die in category 4. I always do. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Oh, no! Oh my gosh, no! I'm gonna. No. Please, no. No. Good. Thank you. I don't know why all this will help, but. Please let me go. Please. No. Oh my gosh. I'm alive! Oh gosh. No. No. Oh gosh. No, please no, please no, please no. Eee. about to die in a tornado. I mean, a hurricane. Whatever you are.
Do you want to play Minecraft on the...
No, not right now. I'm making a singing video right now. Daggum hurricane. Let me go. Well, I guess I'll just stay in here. Oh my gosh, go away already. Go so slow. Daggum hurricane. Oh my gosh. Yes, he let me go. I mean, not he. The hurricane. To her, obviously. I don't really care. Stinking keyboard's about to die. Well, I guess I'll have to hide on here. And a stinking category 5. And then afterwards I have to do tornadoes if I survive this one. I guarantee you I'll die. Ah! Take my potatoes. There are many like it, but it will make you grow. Make you grow really strong muscles so you can lift stuff up easier. I'm lying to it. These grow a daggum beanstalk. I don't care what you want. Just take it. Yep, I'm already getting pulled in. See? 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 Oh, crap. I guess you didn't want it. You hated it. You hate it. I don't know, I just pressed down a pressure plate. If you don't know what I'm saying right now, well, I don't know what I'm saying either. I placed down a pressure plate and it saved me. I don't know how, but it just let me go over here. Time. I don't know about you, but I don't really like the whenever it turns nighttime when tornadoes happen. Well, if I survive this one, I'm totally gonna die of the tornadoes. I survived the hurricanes, but I didn't survive the tornadoes. I guarantee you that's gonna happen because I have to reset this build. Okay, there he goes. I'm doing a video right now.
Can I watch a movie?
Dad, you upload this video after this video is done. Okay. Oh my god. You tag him. Category 5. Stop it. Please. Oh my god. Oh. That was so lucky. Now I get to go back to the village and I'm going to reset the map. Because I don't have a dagger face cam. Okay. Now I'm on to tornadoes, which everybody has been waiting for. THA. I'm gonna have to probably end it at F3, guys, because it doesn't really respond afterwards. It can't take too long, so I might end it or I might not if it does whatever it usually does. At least just left, so I guess it's just me. Come on, where is it? There it is. Oh crap, it's getting really laggy right now. I can't. If you guys have extremely bad okay, let's grab it here. Okay, we're gonna start from F1. And I'm totally gonna die right now. Chorus, why don't you fix stuff like that? I'm not even in Survivor. Corals, please fix whenever the tornadoes don't spawn right on top of you. So, Chorus, if you're watching this by any damn chance, please fix this. Because I don't want the tornado to spawn right on top of you. I want it to be like the old tornado mod where it spawns like far away from you and comes straight towards you and sometimes misses. Please fix it. Chorus. Cheerios. Dang it. I can't say your name because I have trouble speaking today. Okay, now we're on to F2. For some reason, I did not die. Oh my gosh. No. Oh my gosh! No! Dang it. I guess if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And, since the video is not done yet, I have to, if you guys want to see this part, then, if you want to see it, then you can see, oh my gosh, the F3 is heading straight towards me.
Get popsicles! Get your popsicles!
If you guys want to see this part, I'm just going to spawn a bunch of tornadoes until my game crashes. I just died.
If you want to see my popsicles,
so, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, I don't care. And
I did.
So if you disliked it, well then you are not. I don't know. So if you liked it, my face is getting awfully weird right now, and I keep walking into crap. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I don't really care. And if you liked, I don't care. And if you liked, actually, I care. But anyway, oh my gosh, I keep running off. And so if you, I don't know. Well, I guess this is just goodbye. Whoops.